My experience with the income with USANA is very, very real. I think from the moment we started making checks. And we've been involved for a little bit over 2 years now. And so for now, it's pretty neat that we can build on an income and keep building on it.
The business kind of happened to me. It just kind of came because the products were amazing.
Huwag mo tanungin ako about USANA, kung gagawin mo siya o hindi. Huwag mo i-base kung gagawin mo USANA because kung ano meron ng USANA. Pero dapat tatanungin mo, anong wala ka para gawin mo ang USANA.
Pero sabi nga nila, di ba, to see is to believe. So, nakita nila yung pagbabago from yung Billy na wala lang. Ngayon, yung Billy na nakakatulong sa ibang tao.
Never kong maisip na I can share or I can give to other people. With USANA, I'm doing it right now. Yun yung maganda.